over here at the painting tree.
Okay, well, while Jacob's doing that, this thing needs an oil change. 2019 Corolla Hatchback. My old co-pilot, Edgar. And you know, oh yeah, it's a 6-speed. Wouldn't have it any other way. So while he's working on the other side, I need to put some oil in this damn thing because I've only had it for a couple months and I've already put too many miles on it. So this thing takes 16. I got this at Advanced Auto Parts. Obviously I used to work there. This is the Toyota filter, 90915YZZF2. I actually bought this at Advance. I think it only needs 4.5 quarts. So yeah, let's get started. Parking brake's automatic on this thing, but I don't trust anything, so just want to make sure it's still on. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in gear. Yeah, fucking maintenance required light's still on. Oh well, I'll figure out how to reset that with a quick jujule. Gonna lift this thing up, check the mountain. Shit, all the jack stands over there. Oh well. Oops. Oil cap. Engine's not too warm. And there's a fuck ton of plastic under here. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get that off. See if I can find this fucking oil filter. Alright, so Toyota was nice enough to leave a little door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like 4 bolts. And there's the filter. And there's the drain plug. Purelator. That's a CAR-NIVORES filter. That means the oil has been changed before, which is good because I bought this thing used with about 4,000 miles. That's good to know. Ugh. Go ahead and drain it. Alright. Got the old filter off. It's a 95143 CAR-NIVORES. That's probably the CAR-NIVORES Premium since it is synthetic. The drain plug was a 14 mil, and I got this off pretty easily with some channel locks. Fit right over it. There's a new filter. Actually, while I'm here, Make sure they're the same size. Yeah, looks right. This one looks taller. That's the number I got from the dealer. Diameter's the same, so fuck it. Alright. Get this new one on, plug it all back up, put in new oil. Alright, I almost forgot. Gotta reset this light. Car's on. Odometer 10328. It says turn the key on, turn the odometer reading, turn the key back off. Press and hold the reset button. While continuing to press the reset button, turn the key back on, but not so far to start. That's it. Should come up with a series of dashes that appear one by one. Didn't see that happen. Maintenance required, visit dealer. Okay.
A few moments later.
Oh, why is it so complicated? Back button. Over to the gear. PCS, BSM, vehicle settings. Scheduled maintenance. Reset data. Yes. Reset complete. Really? That was it? That was it. Are you fucking kidding me? All you gotta do is go in the damn dashboard settings and it just hit reset. You don't have to do any fucking button odometer pressing. They actually made it simple this time, so whatever. Alright, that's reset now. Oil change is done. I don't even need this thing anymore because it does it automatically. So alright guys, we'll get back to the Thunderbird. Hey buddy. Come here. Oh, yeah. Let's get back to work.